Many women over 40 are choosing to wax at home. But mature skin needs extra care and preparation. One small mistake can cause irritation, bumps, or skin damage. In this video, you'll learn how to wax safely at home after 40. These simple tips can help you achieve smooth, healthy skin. Start with clean skin before waxing. Avoid waxing if your skin is irritated or sunburned. Gentle exfoliation 24 hours before waxing helps remove dead skin cells. Avoid harsh scrubs on mature skin. Make sure the skin is completely dry before waxing. Hair should be about 1/4 inch long for effective waxing. If the hair is too short, the wax may not grip properly. If it's too long, trimming slightly can make waxing more comfortable. Hard wax is often gentler on mature skin. Soft wax can be used for larger areas, like legs. Always choose high-quality wax products. Avoid products with strong fragrances. Always test the wax temperature on your wrist first. Wax that is too hot can cause skin burns. Apply a small patch test before waxing larger areas. Apply wax in the direction of hair growth. Hold the skin tight with one hand. Remove wax quickly against hair growth. Keep the strip close to the skin while pulling. Avoid waxing the same area repeatedly. Waxing smaller sections can reduce discomfort. Breathe out as you remove the wax strip. Good technique makes waxing less painful. Apply a cool compress after waxing. Use soothing products like aloe vera gel. Avoid touching freshly waxed skin too much. Wear loose clothing to prevent friction. Avoid hot showers immediately after waxing. Avoid gyms or sweating for 24 hours. Stay away from strong skincare products for a day. Begin gentle exfoliation 2 to 3 days after waxing. Moisturize regularly to keep skin soft. Most people wax every 3 to 4 weeks. Consistent waxing can make hair grow back finer over time. With the right preparation and care, waxing at home after 40 can be safe, effective, and confidence boosting.